guys, we're gonna take a trip over to Harbor Freight and got to return a 3/8 torque wrench that ain't but a few months old, and you get to about half of the torque scale or above, and it just, you start to torque the bolt or whatever, and it'll just skip. The gears in the head are fucked up or something's wrong with them, but so we gotta take that junk back, and probably gonna buy some more junk, but that's just what you get with Harbor Freight. Some of the stuff's good, some of it's bad, but so we're gonna go ahead and head over there and see about getting everything swapped over and get a light that we need. So, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, we'll pick up when we get over there. Got some snow out here. Not too bad though, it's pretty chilly, but alright, we'll pick up when we get there. Alright, we're almost here to Harbor Freight. And this is what we're taking back, returning 3/8 torque wrench. This jobber here. Once you get about halfway up the torque scale, like I said, it just starts, the gears in the head just start skipping, and then you can't get torque on whatever you're trying to torque though. So taking that back, and we're almost about to pull in here. And hey, there it is. They're on the side there. So we're gonna take this in there and see what they'll do for us. Get us a new one, and then we gotta look at a shop light and pick that up. We got a 25% off coupon that's good for another day or two, so we're gonna go ahead and use that on that. So we'll get out here and walk in. Alright, we're walking in there now. See what we can do here. Usually pretty good about taking broken shit back, but we'll see. You taken?
Do you have lifetime warranty on that?
I assume so. It's a hand tool, no? Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and grab another one and then come back up.
Okay. I'll set that there for you. Alright, let's go see what we can find here. Torque wrenches, yeah, there's somewhere back here. Yeah, it should be probably right down here, I'd suspect. Ah, look at that fucking stack of the Chinas. So we need a 3/8. Let's see here. Yeah, that's us. Yeah, let's see here. 3/8. Alright, so we got that. Now there's a light somewhere. Let's see where he went. And oh, where the heck he went? Oh, there he is. Gotta try to find this light. Yeah, that must be the one right down there. Excuse me. Okay. That's what we need there?
Yep.
Alright. Better get out of here before we spend more money. And go ahead and head up to the checkout. We got workers here looking at me like I'm crazy. And let's go ahead and get this taken care of. Oh, I'm not. I'm just filming. It's not recording though. Oh, you got that side?
you guys receive our free Cobalt catalogs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have the phone number?
She has our broken torque wrench.
517 605
517
605 7675.
7675.
Yep.
Alan?
Yeah.
Would you like to do your replacement on this? What is this? Just
Yeah,
I'll
don't
have to put it
scan
in
it.
the system.
Oh, actually, you do have to do it.
Last night I just did this and he said that I didn't have to.
Hey, Sarah.
We don't have
You have
to.
to put this in the system, right? File it with the return without receipt.
Lifetime warranty, huh?
No return. Lifetime, which is a swap out.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
so mine was a different like 2 days ago.
Uh-oh, got a fiasco. Don't know if it's lifetime or not.
That's what I thought. I had the snap ratio wires, and so they brought those in, and then I had to put it in.
Good card? Okay.
Yes.
Chip milk, clean the chip off.
Yeah, it's saying chip malfunction.
Sometimes it gets dirty.
Gently put it back in there.
There we go. Alright. So I'll carry this out while you do that other one. Alright. Let's go out here. They didn't like me attempting to film here. So we're all set now. Got us a new torque wrench, got us new shop lights we can actually see out there. Might stop and talking in and buying me lunch for coming over here. And looking sloppy. Mess in this parking lot. So yeah, we got everything we need. Now we got a light because the other one took a crap on us too, so we had to get a new one. So, all right, we'll get back with you when we get to the house. All right, guys, we made it back. Harbor Freight employees didn't care for me filming in there, so had to kind of BS them a little bit, I guess. But I don't know what the big deal is, but whatever. So we got the 3/8 torque wrench replaced, free of charge, lifetime warranty. They had a little confusion about that at checkout for some reason, but they replaced it. And then we went ahead and bought the 1,000-watt shop lights there for when we're out there working. We have a little better light so you guys can see better, and so I can see better too as well. So, either tomorrow or the next day I'm gonna get out in the shop and work on the fuel system and on the turbo Mustang. So be lookout for a video on that, and appreciate you guys subscribing, hitting that like button. Anything you can do to help out, I appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks.